In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own bio site using Squarespace. This is a straightforward and effective way to establish your online presence. Whether you're showcasing your personal brand, running a small business, or sharing your creative portfolio. Let's make this a fun and simple process. First, we'll need to head over to Squarespace, so open up your web browser. If you haven't used Squarespace before, it's a popular platform known for its user-friendly interface and stunning design templates, making it perfect for crafting a visually appealing and functional bio site. Once your browser is ready, go to the search bar and type in Squarespace bio sites. This will direct you to where we can easily navigate through the available options. Upon finding the right link, click on it. This link will guide you to a page where you can kickstart the creation of your bio site by selecting Create a Free Bio Site. This feature is brilliant for trying out designs, functions, and settings without any initial costs. Now, on selecting Create a Free Bio Site, you'll be prompted to input your user details. Choose a free username. This is your opportunity to select something unique that represents you or your business. While signing up, you'll come across various customizable options. These help tailor your site precisely to your needs. One of the most efficient ways to expand functionality on your Squarespace site is through Unfold, a tool that enables you to integrate additional features seamlessly. Through Unfold, integrating payment options like Stripe becomes a breeze. This is incredibly beneficial if you're planning on managing subscriptions, donations, or even selling products directly from your bio site. Seamless transactions can enhance user experience and significantly elevate your interaction level with visitors. Alternatively, you can explore further integrations and choose other applications and functions that align with your requirements. After you've set up your account and selected the necessary integrations, you can take a step back and admire your work. Squarespace provides you with a preview mode that allows you to see exactly how your site will appear to others. This is a chance to make any final tweaks, ensuring everything looks just the way you want it to. And there you have it. Your bio site is up and ready to go. From here, you can experiment with different templates and styles that Squarespace offers to continually freshen up your site's appearance. Remember, a bio site is not just a static entity, but a dynamic part of your online identity. Feel free to revisit Squarespace and update your site as your personal or professional story evolves. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your stunning and functional online bio site.